Welcome. This is Miss T coming at you with another tutorial. I told you I was gonna hit those bangers out. All right, let's get started. We are making personalized baby blankets. Now y'all already know y'all gonna hear my baby in the background because I am a working mom here, mamapreneur. All right, so you occasionally hear her in the background. That's all good. All right, so a personalized baby blanket. This is an evergreen product. You can sell these all year round for baby showers, baby reveals, baby communions, Christmas, Halloween, the first Thanksgiving, Easter, endless ideas. All right, so I'm going to show you how to make a simple design and how to upload it on Printify so we can see our design come to life. So here I'm in Canva, a free tool. If you're not connected, you could definitely use it. Here's my link below where you can go ahead and try Canva Pro for 30 days. If you don't want the Pro account, you could definitely use the free account. You just have more access to different elements and things in the Pro account. So I already got a floral border and a nice cute little element, a teddy bear. You can use a giraffe, what is it, turtles, elephants, all kind of cute little things here. So I already made the design. I'm trying to see if I have to break the design apart because in Printify, I believe the image is over 6,000 pixels and Canva only goes up to 5,000 by 5,000 pixels. So if I download the whole image, it may not cover the entire blanket that's in Printify. All right, if you don't know, Printify is a print-on-demand supplier. So that basically means you could take your design, put it on any of the products that they offer on Printify, and go ahead and then put that out on your website and your Etsy and start to gather sales. And then once you gather sales, Printify will then fulfill the order. No inventory on your end, no shipping concerns on your end. You are not handling any of that. Printify is handling that for you. That's pretty cool. That's why I love print on demand. Been doing it for years because it's easy to start a business with no inventory or cash on hand. All right, you can start making sales. All right, so I got it in Printify. I uploaded my image. I downloaded from Canva. So yeah, I'm doing it part by part. Oh, I already see there's a space between the name. I select it. So I can easily fix that in Printify. I do have some tools you can use where you create text. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fix that for now. But just let me organize everything in here. See, now they have several blanket options. I believe I picked the Minky Velveteen blankets. I just want to see how that design will look on that. They do have baby swaddle blankets, comforters, all kinds of blankets as their products that you can upload your design and post on your website or your Etsy to start selling. So let me see how this one looks. All right, I'm organizing my border. Very simple, cute design that you can post on your website and have personalization options, and customers can add their child's name on the order, and you simply go back in your design in Printify or in Canva and change the name. All right, so far so good. All right, that looks good. That's why I love that option in Printify where you can organize it, change the font, resize it. So see, there you go. I changed the name. I'll leave the last name out. Yeah, I'm just gonna Alright, so as you can see, this is very simple. Anyone can do this. It is user friendly. Both Canva and Printify. You don't have to be a super duper major artist to do this. I got started. Definitely creativity is not my strong suit, but I have been doing it. It is easy. All right, so this is what it looks like once you upload your design. You can look at the mockups and see how it looks. Now that is a very full blanket. In my design, I want it to be very full on that blanket. So I'm gonna go ahead and try the baby swap. See all the choices they have there. Let's try the baby swaddle blanket. All right, let's see how that look. I think they have three different sizes you can choose from. And once you put your designs in Printify, it's already in your library, so you can simply go there. Especially if you have multiple orders and you need to change the names, you could just go in and change the name, and your design and images are already in Printify that you used before. So that's pretty cool. I like that. We want to work smarter, not harder. Okay. So yep, all my stuff is there in the library side. Yeah, let's stretch this out. I want this full design across the whole blanket. But you can place it anywhere. You can do designs where it's in the middle, it's in the corner of the blanket, across, or vertical. But for this design, to get the full effect, I want the entire design to go across the blanket. All right, so far I like what I'm seeing. It's like there's space within the design. Okay. Again, put my name in. I can sit there and do that easily on there. So that make personalization super easy to do when you're getting orders. This is just one design, guys. All right. One design I'm just showing you for now in YouTube. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, put on that notification button so you know the next time, because I'm dropping tutorials probably every day for the next month. All right, Q4 is around the corner, and I want us to be a part of that. You know, we have Black Friday, Christmas, Thanksgiving, back to school. I got a whole back to school series coming out. So you're gonna see all different things you can create for back to school. Look at the blanket. Beautiful. I like it. Cute. So, oh, yes, I'm showing you guys. So, this is just a snippet. I have a full kit on my website where you can sit there and see the full step-by-step tutorial. You're going to get, I believe it's 4 or 5 edible designs that you get access to that you can edit on Canva with a free account that you'll be able to use and instantly customize, make changes, and then put on your website, on your Etsy, and start to promote personalized baby blankets if you're interested in that. I go over that design. I show you how to make that design, different milestone blankets. Don't forget the multiples. All right, people got twins and triplets, how to make those blankets. I go over all of that, how to make seamless patterns, especially got my first Christmas, my first Halloween, all of that coming up. So if you're interested in that, the link is in the description, where is a full starter kit, how to create personalized baby blankets, step-by-step tutorial, and you get 5 edible designs that you can instantly make changes and start to upload on your website. You get 2 free mockups as well to use on your website as well to promote your designs. I like this color. It's pretty cool. Let's see. I think they offer maybe 6 to 8 different colors. Um, I think I like it better in white. Yeah, that's cool. Nice and clean, beautiful and cute. I could definitely see someone getting that and bringing it to the hospital for the newborn. And this is, I think these blankets, they can go from newborn all the way up to like 5 years old, depending on the design you want. You know, you put in cars on there, ice cream, ballerina girls. So these blankets are really good, and they come in 3 sizes. So even up to 5, 6 year old, depending on what design you put on there, you can market that. All right. I like the purple too. I would just simply go in and change the name color to white if I wanted to keep that color. and save the pictures in Printify. They do give you mockups, and you simply can save those and use those on your website too. I'm going to give you two different mockups with a link below with the starter kit that you can utilize. So I'm just showing you a Printify, how you set your price. They tell you how much it costs on their end to produce and to ship to your customers. So you make sure you factor all that into your price so you still can make between $5 and $12 profit, depending on how much you charge for the blankets. You guys see these blankets. People charge from maybe $20 to $50, depending on the size, the design, the personalization option. Like that first design that I showed you guys where you do the birth announcement, you know, those usually cost a lot more. And you can easily connect your Printify to any of your website, your Etsy, your Shopify, Walmart, all of that. All right, make sure you guys subscribe, follow me, and keep on watching because I'll keep on bringing tutorial bangers. We will make money in 2023.